Hello lovelies and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Jet Set Hydration Kit from E.L.F. So let's do it. Today I'm going to be reviewing the entire set, which I showed you. So it comes with the cleanser, which on the bag it says with daily face cleanser and warm water. Number 2, tone with prep and hydration balm. Apply all over the face in a circular motion. Blend with fingertips to absorb. I think it came in the cutest little bottle. It also has a daytime moisturizer and a nighttime one. And then it also comes with a eye illuminating cream, which you're supposed to dab the cream all over the eyelids and the under eye area. So first I'm kicking it off with the face wash itself. I will tell you, none of these products were heavily fragranced, like no fragrance at all. So if you have sensitive skin, I believe this would probably be a good call for you. Like I said, nothing fragranced, like not at all. The texture of the moisturizer, the cleanser, so super silky. That's my daughter's in here with me. She was playing Minecraft on her Nintendo Switch, so you know, the mom life. I love my babies. So super silky, wasn't drying at all. It felt super smooth consistency. It washed right off, which is nice. It didn't leave my skin feeling stripped of moisture in any way, shape, or form. So now we're gonna dry off. So next we're going to be moving right into the hydration balm stick. So this is what we tone and prep with. Once again, it says apply all over the face in circular motions, blend out with fingertips. The consistency going on your face almost freaked me out just a little because it felt like I was smearing butter on my face. Literally butter. From the stick onto my face felt like butter. I was like, oh, which it felt nice, but I was a little frightened, because I'm like, oh, this is going to set so heavy in my pores. So you see how much I put on there? By the time I went to go blend it out, I felt like there was almost nothing on my skin. It absorbed so quickly. It wasn't heavy. It was great. I absolutely love that bad boy. It's wonderful. Told you, super creamy. Elena thinks it feels like just rubbing deodorant straight on your face, which is adorable. So next thing we're going in with here is the Illuminating Eye Cream, which you gently dab all over the eyelids and under the eyes. Once again, super hydrating, super thin, not overly thick, no fragrance whatsoever. Really digging this little set. So now we're moving right on in with the night cream. Loved the night cream too. I can't say enough about it. Not fragranced at all. Super light, but so incredibly moisturizing. My face loved it. I think my skin reacted so well to the amount of hydration. And even now, shortly after the video, looking at my skin, it just looks nourished and glowy, and I'm all about that life. Guys, I gotta tell you, me and Elena do a fab or fail video. This was absolutely a fab. I 100% recommend. I think your skin will thank you.